Bonjour! In this video I will show you how to reproduce this letter in a festive spirit in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use both the text tool and the selection tool to create different variations of the same letter. If you want to use the same color palette as me, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault, thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background. Go to your brush library, Airbrushing brush set, and select the soft brush. Take this purple color and use your brush on the bottom side of your canvas. And take this darker purple color and use your brush on the top part to fill the entire canvas. Then take the smudge tool with the soft brush to adjust your gradient. If you want to learn more ways to blend colors, I invite you to watch this video. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this purple color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then Add Text, then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. Then choose the Helvetica Neue font in bold style with a fairly large size. Then tap Done. Duplicate your text layer, tap on it, then Edit Text. Select this purple color, tap this button to create the outline of your letter, then tap Done. Select your two layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then put your two layers in the middle of your canvas with the size you want. Duplicate your two layers, pinch them together to merge them, and put your merged layer at the bottom. We will use this new layer later. Now we are going to create a thinner outline. To do this, duplicate your outline text layer, tap and hold with two fingers the layer with your letter. You have selected the shape of your letter. Select your new layer with the outline. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas. It opens the Copy-Paste menu. If you want to learn more about the Copy-Paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut, and now you have a thinner outline. Let's distort your letters. Select your 4 layers and tap the Transformation tool. Choose Distort Mode and make sure Magnetics is on. Then drag this node to the right. Now let's add some patterns and gradients on your letter. To do this, you have to enable AlphaLock. If you want to learn more about AlphaLock, I invite you to watch this video. Slide from the left to the right with 2 fingers on your top 3 layers. Hide the layer with the thinner outline and put the layer with the outline below the letter. For the outline, take this purple color and use your soft brush on the bottom part. For the letter, take this darker purple color, go to your brush library, Vintage Brush Set, and take the top brush Myrtle, and use it on all your layers. Let's now create the neon outline. Unhide the thinner outline. Take this white color from the color palette and use the soft brush on the entire outline. Then tap on your layer and turn off AlphaLock. Tap the Transform tool and move your layer towards the upper left. Go to the Adjustments menu and select the Bloom effect in Layer Mode. Slide to the right to adjust the amount of bloom. And use the sliders at the bottom to adjust the size and strength of the effect. Let's now create the 3D part. Select the bottom layer and use the transformation tool to put it towards the bottom right. Take this purple color and tap the selection tool. Choose the freehand mode and tap color fill. Then connect each edge between the 2 sides of your letter. Now tap your layer and enable AlphaLock. Use the purple color with your soft brush on your entire letter. Grab this yellow color and use it lightly on the bottom part of your letter. Tap the selection tool and make sure color fill is off. You're going to select those 3 sides to create the 3D effect. Select the bottom one. Then use your yellow color from the left to the right. Select the right side, then use your color from the bottom to the top. And finally, select the top side, then use your color from the left to the right. Duplicate your layer, select the bottom one, tap the transformation tool and move it slightly to the bottom right. Go to the Adjustments menu and choose the brightness adjustments in Layer Mode. Then decrease the brightness. For the finishing touches, first make sure everything is in the middle of your canvas. Select all your layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then drag everything in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 7%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!